morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Wilder. How are you doing today? I hope your day is wonderful. I want to review about our notes and our rests and our musical symbols. So here's the time signature, and we're highlighting the top four. And the top four means 4 counts or dollars for a measure. And then this is the time signature right here. This is the quarter note. It gets 1 count. This is the quarter rest, it gets 1 count. This is the pair of eighth notes, it gets 1 count. These are the 16th notes and they get 1 count as well. This is the half note, it gets 2 counts. Oh, I didn't write that. This is the half rest, it gets 2 counts. This is the dotted quarter note with the eighth note and it gets 2 counts. This is the whole note, it gets 4 counts. This is the whole rest, it gets 4 counts. This is the bar line, and it separates 2 measures, and this is the double bar line, and equals the end of the song. And let me fix that really quick. The half note equals 2 counts, and the half rest equals 2 counts. Thank you for allowing me to fix that right away, because if I didn't fix it, I would forget. I want to review with you, this is the 5th grade page. So this is the dotted quarter note with the eighth note, and these stay together. They go together like peas and carrots, like ketchup and fries. At least I like ketchup and fries. And these are the quarter notes. This is the time signature. These are the quarter rests. These are the pairs of eighth notes. This is the dotted quarter note with the eighth note combination that always goes together. This is a group of 16th notes. This is a group of 16th notes. This is the bar line, the double bar line, the bar line, the bar line. This is the half rest. If you turn it over, this is the whole rest. And this is the half note, and this is the half note. And then that was the 5th grade page, and this is the 3rd grade page. So these are the quarter notes. This is the kindergarten 1st and 2nd page. The 5th grade one is for 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, just to make sure everybody knows that. These are the quarter rests. These are the pairs of eighth notes. This is the time signature. This is a group of 16th notes, or 16th notes, you could just call them. This is a bar line. This is a double bar line. These are 16th notes. These are half notes. This is a blank space, half notes, and a blank space. So let's make a rhythm together. Let's first make one from our 5th grade chart. So the first thing we always need to have is the time signature. So write that down, the 4/4. And I would like for you to write it down this time, because that helps it get into your brain more. And then you can use your cards to make some rhythms too as well later. So have not the double bar line, excuse me, have the time signature there. And now we're going to use 16th notes. 16th notes. And it's counted as 1 E, the and sign, the plus, and 1 E and a. And it looks like this. So we're going to have the 16th notes. So this is for my 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, and then I'll do a rhythm for my kindergarten 1st and 2nd graders. And then we're going to use a pair of eighth notes. And it's counted 2 and then we can use a half note. And this is the 3rd and 4th count, and then we're going to use a bar line. So let me show you what this looks like. And I would suggest always writing out the counting to keep yourself in check. That's what that looks like. And next we're going to use the grouping of the dotted quarter note with the eighth note. And you write that 1 and 2, and the second and goes underneath the eighth note, the and, because this is the and of 2. And then we have 2 counts left, and we're going to use 2 quarter rests. And we're going to make a bar line. Then we can use 2 half notes. And I'll show you what it looks like. Then I'm going to use a half rest. and 2 quarter notes. And then a double byline. And if you're in kindergarten, first and second grade, you can also write this down if you'd like to, if you want to learn some new notes or a new note. So this is what my third, fourth, and fifth grade rhythm looks like that I wrote out for you, and I would like for you to write it down as well. And then you can use your cards and you can make it as well when you get your cards. So that's for my third, fourth, and fifth graders. And my kindergarten, first, and second graders, you can also write it down as well. And then let's make a rhythm for my kindergarten, first, and second graders. What do you always need? The 4/4. And now let's use 4 quarter notes. We always need to have 4 counts in each measure. So this is what it looks like when we use 4 quarter notes, my kindergartners, first, and second graders. 4 quarter notes, and you label them 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, the 4 means 4 counts in a measure. It doesn't mean 4 notes in a measure, it means 4 counts. Next, I'm going to make a measure using 2 half notes. And this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to use a measure using 4 quarter rests. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like. And then I'm going to use some 16th notes. 1 E, the and sign, and ah, 1 E and a. And these are fast notes. These are quick notes because you have 4 and 1 count. And then I'm going to use a pair of eighth notes and a quarter note and a quarter rest. And this is my example for my kindergartners, my first graders, and my second graders. And this is what it looks like. It's the bottom one. Copy it down, and then you can also use your rhythm cards after you copy it down. Because when you write things down, it gets more in your brain. All right, that's my rhythm review for the week. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.